Today we're going to make some custom printed vinyl. And that starts by going up here to pick what kind of size you want to be printed on for your design. It could be a sheet, a mini roll, a half yard, or by the yard. You can see the dimensions right there. Let's go with a half yard. And then I'm going to go to the next step. First thing you want to do, as the description says in this design, is upload your image. Up here, you're going to click on that you have the rights to use the image you're about to upload, and it's not a stolen design. And then you're going to click on Upload Design. I'm going to use my chicken logo that I had designed for me. I'm going to click on the plus sign here, and here it is in my sheet. You know what? I've changed my mind. I'm going to go to a half yard. So here we are. We're going to print a half yard of our design. It is 18 inches by 52 inches, and we can see that right now it's fit to the screen, or you can change the size here to 25%, and you can kind of get a better look. Now, right now, my design is a 6.83 by 6.83. Let's say I want that a little bigger in this design. I'm going to change that to 12 by 12. You can see it got bigger. Or I can make it smaller. I'm going to change it to 2 inches by 2 inches, and then it's repeating a lot. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see what that looks like on the 18 by 52 inch half yard we have printed here. All right, let's say we're happy with that. From there, you can actually rotate the little chickens or whatever your image is by rotating here. You can make them upside down. If you do this and it ever slows down and gives you the pinwheel of doom, you can just go back and restart your design. I'm not going to hit continue because we're working out the bugs from that, but just so you know, it's not a problem. Okay, let's say this is what we like. One other thing you can do, you can change the layout of your design. It can be brick-shaped. It can be one in the center. Let me zoom out so you see what that looks like. Oh, there's one chicken right there in the center. It can be a vertical pattern with your design, half drop, or it can mirror. Let me zoom back in so you can see. That kind of is a fun way. Let's say that's how I want it to be. From there, you can change the color of your design. You can do black and white. I'm going to keep with the color. You can, if you have a last minute change, you can change the size of how you want to print it. And then you can change the quantity. But let's say we're happy with this. I'm going to confirm my order. We highly recommend you download your proof so you can see what it looks like before you order it from us. Occasionally the pop-up that shows you your proof may not show up. You may have a pop-up blocker preventing it from showing. Just make sure you go and disable that. And here's what it looks like in a PDF document. And I'm very happy with this. Let's say we're very happy with this. I'm going to go back. I'm going to say I have checked the proof, and then I'm going to proceed to my cart where here's my custom printed vinyl fabric Flexa. It is a half yard as I wanted. This is something else I had printed earlier. I'm going to take that out of my cart. And here we are. I'm happy. I like the price. I'm going to go check out, and the rest is history.